about how we were suffering, how we couldn't live in peace. But now, we can't live in peace either. We are suffering even more. Me, a 13-year-old child, talking and asking for water, talking and asking for food. How am I supposed to live my life? I'm a child like every other child. People tell me my tears are gold, but I cry and I don't see anything. What am I supposed to do? I'm asking for help. I'm asking the Arab countries. I'm asking the Islamic countries. None of them are helping us. You saw that child. What did he do? What did the children do? Is it their fault for crying? Is it their fault for asking for help? We're children, like every other child. I'm not asking for your help. I'm asking for you to share. I'm asking for you to at least feel pity for us. I don't want you to feel sorrow for us. We're not piece of trash. We're humans. We have rights. We're alive pieces. It's unfair that you think of us as trash. We're stuck in here. This is not prison because we never did a crime. This is a small camp that we're stuck in and we can't get out. It's unfair. I'm a child and I now have trauma. And it's not like any other child trauma. I've seen people die. I've seen people die. Some of my family have been killed. Am I just supposed to watch this in peace? I don't understand. I was 10 back then, and now I'm 13.